Deep cleaning the living room. Well, it's Sunday home reset today, and I'm going to give the living room a really good clean. We're gonna dust and vacuum in all the spots that haven't been dusted and vacuumed in a while. And I have most of the decorations up. So I want to make room, and I want to get the tree set up. Not going to decorate it this time, but in this video. But we're going to get it all cleaned out. So let's just get this blanket on the back of the couch. I spent some time this morning taking all the pills off my couch. They're all over the floor. So what I want to do is I'm going to move all of this stuff out onto the rug, and we're going to vacuum and mop back there. Now this might be tricky. Oh, I'm going to put my broken straps on. And I might need some help. Oh, let's clear this off first. I'm pulling up the rug. Oh, something spilt back there. Oh well, we'll get her cleaned up. This chair, maybe this way. Move this little table over here. It's always a big job. The floor is pretty dirty down there. And now I'm going to move the couch out and see what disaster's under it. There we go. Well, I thought I lost 2 earrings. I've only seen one. The other one must be under something else. Okay, let's move you up here. Oh. Solid wooden table. Okay. What's that? No, that's part of my earring. Okay. Oh, there's the other earring. It's here somewhere. Show up. Doesn't really show up on the camera unless I get right down there, but we're going to get it all cleaned up. Okay. Yay. That's nice and clean. While I was letting it dry behind the couch and the chair, I decided I would move this stuff away from this place because that is where I'm going to put our Christmas tree this year. And I'm hoping you'll like it there. Never had it there before, but I think it will work. Spoiler alert, it did work. It works very well. And I would like to invite you at this time to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up and share my video. Leave a comment and say hello. I like to say hello back to all my people who come and visit. And thanks for taking some time out of your day to join me in this Sunday home reset. Well, there's our little buddy coming to see what I'm doing. He's usually following me around, and I'm just mopping in these areas that aren't big areas. So I'm just giving them a little mop around the chair back there and in front of the TV stand, and then in the corner where we're going to set the tree, not the TV, where we're going to set the tree. So that's all done. Oh dear, buddy. That spot's clean, and that's where I'm going to put our Christmas tree. So now we need to get the furniture back. Getting a good workout. Okay. Well, now it's time to fool around with this rug. Yeah, I think it's one of those washable rugs. I got this from my daughter. She bought it and she used it for a while, and now I'm using it. And I really like it because it's got green in it. And I like the pattern, and it just warms up the living room a bit. And the hard part is I have to lift the furniture to get it underneath so that I can get it unwrinkled. And I managed. My husband would have helped me if I would have asked him, I'm sure. He helped me put it down the first time. That's why we have tape on the floor. That's two-sided tape, so we can get the rug put down and it hopefully will stay in place.
All that fuzzy stuff you could see on the floor are my couch pills. I'm quite disappointed in that, but the guy said that it'll do that for a while since it's new. So I took him at his word, and so now I'm just scraping it off whenever I feel it's necessary. It does come off easy, doesn't seem to be wrecking the material of the couch. Anyhow, that's what all those lumps are on the carpet. So I'm just going to give this carpet a good vacuum, and we'll get on with some other stuff. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome. And thank you for taking time out to watch my videos. I'm so excited. I'm getting quite close to my 1,000 subscribers. And that's my goal for the end of this year. Hope to start 2025 at 1,000 subscribers. So thank you very much, all my new subscribers. I really, really do appreciate you, and all my subscribers. I really appreciate you. Okay, let's get back to cleaning.
Okay, if you watched my haul, you'll remember I got this nice little house set at Marshall's. And I got these little trees and stuff from the Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, or Dollarama. And I decided it would be cute. Excuse me. I decided it would be cute if we put some little frosted snowflake trees, little frosted trees out front. I put this wreath at the top of the tower, and I put a couple more trees over there. And I have 2 pieces of greenery that I stuck there, and then that one just to fill in the center. And I think that looks rather nice for that piece. And everything lights up and it looks nice at night. So now I will continue to dust around the living room. I don't know if you can see, but it is snowing out. We do have snow. And I made this little arrangement. And on the front I put ho ho ho. So I'm just going to give this table a good wash. I decided to put this dish out here with it. I thought it was pretty. And it looked nice, and I might put some Christmas candies in it when it gets closer to Christmas. Okay, there's the bouquet. There we go. I'll just give everything a little dust. A little bit of garbage there. Just want to give this table a clean. Need a pretty Christmas.
The noise you're hearing in the background is hubby doing the dishes. And I tell you, this microphone picks up those sharp noises so easily. So hopefully they're not too distracting. Anyhow, gave this table a nice clean. And the coffee table I just did the other day when I did my tiny tidy and did those decorations. So I'm just going to give it a really quick little dust. And it's all set for another Sunday home reset.
This table, we got Dave's table all cleaned off. And we put Charlie Brown tree up. Here he is, cute as ever. Okay, we got the tree up and the lights lit, and I'm playing with ribbon. So I think it'll work great in that spot.
Well, I had the vacuum cleaner and the mop and everything out, so I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this kitchen floor. Give it a good vacuum and give it a good mop, and then I have the floors done. And it didn't take long. Okay, well, we got the living room all deep cleaned, and it's so nice. It should be good till springtime now. And I've managed to get the kitchen floor and the hallway all mopped and vacuumed as well. So that's my Sunday home reset for this week, and I hope you enjoyed it.